Morning again everyone, this is Wayne from Wayne's Mystery World. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky pipe. So I'm going to show you the pipe that's leaking and I'm going to show you the solution for that. As you can see right here, the joint of this pipe is leaking right here. Right here the pipe is screwed into pipe cock is screwed into the pipe itself. Let's see if I can focus on that. See, it's dripping. So how I'm going to solve that is we're going to use this thread tape right here. You can see PTFE thread seal tape. This is for purposes like this. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to turn off the mains. I'm going to unscrew this. I'm going to put some threading tape inside, and I'm going to seal it back. So I'm going to turn off the mains right now. So I'm going to turn off the mains. Mains pipe is now off, so I can get ready to unscrew this. So what I'm going to do right now is just unscrew this. So see inside the thread tape actually goes on this end. So I'm gonna put some fresh threading tape on this, but first of all I'm gonna use some soapy water and clean this off because it looks a bit dirty. Soapy water. And it doesn't matter if soap goes in here because it's gonna come out somehow. So I didn't have to do this, but I just decided to clean it off anyways. So as you can see, the pipe has some old tape threading, so I'm gonna get some new threading on that. So this is the new threading. Unwrap the old. new tape. I'm just gonna take off some. If I can find the end of this tape. Okay, so here's the end. Put it. So I'm just gonna wrap it on like this. Wrap it on. Hopefully this is enough. Then what I'm gonna do here is just clean out this a little. What I'm gonna do is just screw this in, screw this back in, make sure it's tight. This is supposed to be tight. Now what I'm gonna do right now, turn on back the mains. The mains is now back on, and I'm just seeing if it's leaking. I'll turn on the main pipe again. Wash this off a bit. Now I'm just sitting right here, see if this is gonna be leaking again. You can see it's as you can see, it has stopped leaking. So that is how to fix a leaky pipe like this one that is leaking from like the end right here that the pipe is screwed into. So all you would need is basically threading tape, and that's it. So first you turn off the mains, you unscrew this, you wrap the thread in, you take off the old thread in, then you wrap the new one around it, then you screw it back in, and that's it. Takes less than 5 minutes. So that is how you fix a leaky pipe. So until the next time, Wayne from Wayne's Mr. World, peace out. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.